This is Tim Willis, and with only a copy of OBS and built-in laptop microphone, this is another video from the Nomad Funnelhacker. This is a workspace in ClickFunnels, and it's the current version of ClickFunnels, sometimes known as ClickFunnels 2.0. And I created this workspace, and I didn't put much into it. As of right now, the only apps that I have installed are the site and blog, which is pretty much standard, and the automations apps, which has the workflows and voice actions. So that's as far as we got. So that being the case, I came up with a different plan for this workspace than I originally had. And so I think that's going to give a good opportunity to show a lot of things, since we don't have much here yet. Other than the fact we have set up the workspace, we've set up the site and blog, or whether we set up the app, which is pretty much, I think it comes pre-installed anyway. If not, it's just the site and blog. Right now, let's do the overview, take a look at it. It's not live. If we were to look at it, so when we look at it, it's just got the default theme right now. We haven't actually changed anything here. And same thing for the blog. And then, of course, the automations. We have the workflows. Let's go there. It looks like we haven't done anything on the workflows either. No, we haven't. Because otherwise, we would have our email here. And in fact, our email domains show that the only domain we have is the default ClickFunnels domain, which comes with ClickFunnels, and that's basically your internal. It's not something you would use to send out broadcast or anything like that. My idea for this is I am going to use it sort of a test bed for a certain concept. And I'm doing that for somebody I know because I want to illustrate what's possible. That being the case, we can now use this funnel or use this workspace to demonstrate things. At least some of them. Now, as well, I don't have Payments AI set up, so I wouldn't be able to do actual purchases, but I can still do test purchases. So back to our main panel. Let's go to our workspace settings. So the first thing I'm going to want to do here is actually change the name of the workspace. And that's something that's very easy to do. Right now it says Third Coast Funnels. I'm going to go ahead and change that name to Full Moon Dance. And that's all I'm going to do. We've got other things we can do here, but we're not going to do any of those right now. I will probably create a logo icon for this later, but that will be at some other time. Let's go ahead and update the workspace. And boom, we are now Full Moon Dance. Just like that. Now, if I come to the bottom here where I have my workspaces, we can see now, if I scroll down, this workspace is now called Full Moon Dance. And so from now on, that is going to be the name of the workspace, unless I decide to change it later. So that is how you change the name of a workspace. You just go into your workspace settings. You're going to be in the general section with the gear icon, and you'll be able just to change the workspace name, just like I did right there. So that's really it for this video. My name is Tim Willis. I am a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, sales funnel building, web page design, and all the tools we use to accomplish all the above. That's the video for now.